Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Hoover Paws and Claws Carpet Cleaning Solution. This Hoover Paws and Claws Carpet Cleaning formula with stain guard technology tackles tough pet stains, neutralizes pet odors and defends against those inevitable future stains. Stain guard technology helps your carpet stay cleaner for longer by preventing future stains from a home that feels clean and smells fresh. Its deep, enzymatic cleaning ingredients not only deodorizes your carpets, but also breaks down and removes the worst types of pet messes, while continuing to work preventative and finish. Helps keep your carpets cleaner for longer by protecting them against future stains, attacks and helps break down pet messes and stains, including urine. While deodorizing your carpets, leaving them smelling fresh. Number 2 in this best carpet cleaner solution list is Nature's Deep Clean Stain. Nature's Miracle Stain Stain when it comes to odor control and neutralizing smelly accidents. fourth pick in this best carpet cleaner solution list is BioClean Bockout Stain Remover. If you hate the artificial smell left behind by some chemical cleaners, try BioClean Bockout Stain and Odor Remover. The enzymes, citrus, and plant-based detergents in this cleanser penetrate and treat even the hardest stains and odors. It doesn't need to be diluted before use and can be used straight on a stain. It is effective against practically all pet odors, but it may also be used on most household stains and even in the laundry. This cleanser is extremely versatile and, unlike most other cleaning solutions on the market, has no odor. It's safe to use around pets, and pet owners rave about how effective it is at removing stains and odors. This carpet cleaner is wonderful to keep on hand for everything from exercise clothing to kitty pee. Bockout uses a plant-based, eco-friendly solution with no artificial fragrances or dyes. Our products never contain phosphates, chlorine, ammonia, or brighteners. Our fifth and last choice is Puracy Professional Carpet Cleaner. If you're concerned about chemicals on your rugs and carpets, a natural cleaner, such as Puracy Natural Carpet Cleaner Detergent Shampoo, is a great alternative. This mixture is free of chemicals and additives that may irritate sensitive nostrils and is made with plant-based deodorizers and detergents. It's low foam, so it won't make a big mess, and it can be used straight on your carpet or in a machine. Concentrated, naturally derived detergents and deodorizers rapidly remove stains, soil, and odors from carpets, rugs, upholstery, and other washable surfaces. Advanced natural cleaning technology leaves fibers feeling as soft as new. Use on any washable surface your family comes in contact with. No harsh chemicals, no sulfates, phosphates, animal byproducts, chlorine, bleach, dyes, petrochemicals, caustics, perfumes, or optical brighteners.